Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainments, and I am Joel. Today, I am doing something that I probably should have done maybe a year and a half ago. I had a buddy of mine, Steve Hammer, decide back in the day he needed some help with some stuff, and the way that he repaid me, which I did not really, expect, but he got me a set of Brembo front brakes, the 4 caliper ones. It came off his blue Mustang, and he replaced his, and he had a set laying around, so he gave me those. So thanks a lot, Steve, but we're finally going to go ahead and get those put on. Like I said, got them right here in these boxes. I'm going to clean them up now. I have the new rotors coming in, the new pads. Like I said, everything that I need for it. I got some new brake lines coming in for it also, just to change them. And like I said, then I'm going to ship these out to get powder coated. Still working on who I'm getting it done, but I think I'm getting it done the same color as my car. So it'll be blue in there, and it'll show off nice with the new wheels. But we'll see where we're at, and we'll catch you in a bit. Alright, just to get you a picture of them real quick. Here they are. They are Brembos. That's there. They are the 2-piston, I believe. I'll find out once I open them up. But I believe they're the 2-piston because there's only 2 little humps here. And like I said, we're going to clean them up. They're dirty. And they are factory Brembos. So there's the Ford. Sorry. There's the Ford. So we're going to go ahead and get these cleaned up a little bit, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, well I got them cleaned up, and I'm going to take them to Detective Powder Coating in Midlothian, Southside, Virginia here. And we'll go ahead and drop them off, and they're going to go ahead and take care of it. I'm driving my car out there so we could decide, see if we could get a color close to it. But here it is after I clean them up. They're not dirty at all no more. But like I said, these are going to be the color of the car, and I believe these are going to be white. So we'll see how that looks out. So it's gonna be a couple day video, so we'll catch you when I get back. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Just a quick little update. It's a couple days later. I got my new rotors in and pads. I'm gonna show you those real quick. And then I went and picked up the calipers, and they look awesome. They look real good. So I'll let you see those in a second. So just hold on and we'll be right back. Alright, just to show you everything that I've gotten so far for it. I went ahead and upgraded the fuel, not the fuel line, excuse me, the brake lines to it. Not that you needed to, but since I was already in there replacing some stuff, I went ahead and upgraded to the GT500 brake lines. They're right here. In the kit, they brought front and rear. So I have both. I only need the front for right now, but yeah, so we're going to go ahead, and once we get the other ones straight, everything will just be new and I won't have anything to worry about. Then right here are the new rotors. They're 14-inch rotors for this particular kit. It's more like the Brembo kit for the GT500 that brought the 14, 15-inch rotors. With the 14-inch, I guess it's a little safer for the application. You don't have to do too much to do any big rearranging. And then let me go ahead and go inside, and let me show you the calipers. I think they look really good. And then here are the new brake pads for it. So we'll catch you in a second. All right guys, and here are the calipers that we got now. They look a whole lot better than they did when we first started this video, huh guys? We'll see how close they are to the color of the car, but like I said, we're probably going to be putting that on this weekend, so we'll go from there. But I just wanted to give you all a little quick update and show you what's going on. So we'll see you in a couple days when we're getting this together. Peace. Alright guys, we are finally doing the install. Well, finally Zach is doing the install. So we're going to go ahead and see what is going on with here. There's the new rotor. The pads are over there. And these are my new well, I guess I wouldn't call them heat shields, but they're replacing my heat shields. So comes with the hardware. So we're gonna go ahead and once it gets the other rotor, I'll put it beside the other one and y'all can compare the different sizes. So, oh look, and we got Kiki here. So say hi, Kiki. Say hi, Kiki. I'm gonna sit here for an hour.
I'll sit there for an hour.
I'll do it. Look, I'm coming for you. All right, there is the size difference from my factory one over to the new Brembo. I don't know the exact size. I'll let you know in a second. I know this is a 14. This might be a 13 or a 12. It looks more like a 12, but I'll measure them and find out. We'll see you in a minute. Oh, and by the way, he's putting on the little heat shield, air, whatever the heck these things are. Replacing that big ass thing right there. We're going to the small one. All right, guys, this is with the new rotor on it, new brake caliper, new brake line. Like I said, didn't need to change the brake line. I just did because I was already in here, so might as well do it. But we did have, you'll see with the fitment in the middle, it was a little close, so we went ahead and got a spacer just to bring it off the brake a little bit. I think it would have been fine, but we're not taking a chance because I don't need no issues with that. So we'll catch you in a few minutes, all right? We're about to bleed the brakes now. Get this part done and then get the wheels on and we'll see what it looks like. All right, well, they are on now. We decided to go, well, I decided to go without the spacers because to me they look better without them. They're a little close, but they don't rub, so that's the important part. So let me show you what's going on. And special thanks to Kevin because he was here and he gave me a little hand on there, and of course Zach. And you know, you got Hunter over there, always being the good cheerleader. Let me give him a thumbs up. But ding. Yep. So anyway, that's what they look right here. And they're pretty nice. See how the spacing is in there, but it's don't rub, so we're all good. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a quick little test drive and see how it goes. Go forward. Well guys, we're done with this video finally. Like I said, we got it all done. They work great. They stopped, so that's always a plus. Went through the heat cycles on it just to get them broken in. They look pretty good. Like I said, they're throwing some brake dust right now, but they're just new. But like you say, they are in there. And I didn't have to use the spacers, so we are good to go there. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and you can see the rest of the content. And on the corner, there's that little bell, that little freaking bell. Yes, hit that bell and you'll be able to tell when I drop more content. Other than that, we'll catch you on the next video. We are going to Mustang Week. So any of y'all going down there and want to hang out, we will be down there. So we'll catch you either before that or down at Mustang Week. All right, y'all have a great weekend and have a good one.